Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Then again 8 minus 2 is equal to also 6. Now 6 multiply 6 is equal to 36. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, then exponents, then multiplication and division, both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right, okay? And last priority is addition and subtraction, also have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right, okay? Now, according to the PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve this parenthesis. So 8 minus 2, now solve this parenthesis, 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Now 8 minus 2 multiply 6 is equal to 12. Now 8 minus 12 is equal to minus 4. Okay, so the correct answer is minus 4. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.